In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set keyword notifications in Slack. If you've ever missed an important update because it got buried in a busy channel, keyword notifications are your quiet safety net. They let Slack watch for specific words or phrases you care about, like a project name, a client term, or a deadline, and alert you the moment those appear in any channel you've already joined. Here's how to set them up. Open Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Click your profile picture in the top corner to open the menu, then choose Preferences. In the sidebar, select Notifications. Scroll down until you see the section labeled My Keywords, sometimes called highlight words. In the text box, type the words or phrases you want Slack to keep an eye on. Separate each one with a comma. You can use single words like launch or multi-word phrases like Q4 budget review. When you're done, just close the window. Your settings save automatically. From now on, whenever someone uses one of your keywords in a channel you've joined, Slack will highlight it in the message and send you a notification, following your usual notification settings. This can be a lifesaver in large workspaces where messages move quickly. A few tips to make this work smoothly. Choose keywords that are specific enough to be meaningful, but not so broad that they ping constantly. For example, product beta plan is better than product, which could trigger too often. Add variations you care about, such as both the full project name and its abbreviation. Multi-word phrases are supported, and you don't need special symbols. Just type the words as you'd expect to see them. If you find you're getting too many pings, come back to the same My Keywords box and remove or refine entries anytime. Keep in mind that your overall notification preferences still apply. If you're on Do Not Disturb or have notifications paused, keyword alerts will wait until you're available. Also, you'll only be notified for channels you've joined, so make sure you're in the places where those conversations happen. If you want to confirm it's working, try posting a test message with one of your keywords in a channel you're in. You should see it highlighted and receive a notification, just like you would for a direct mention. That's all there is to it. By setting up thoughtful keywords, you'll catch the updates that matter without watching every thread. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, more focused Slack.